Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Anis Muntiwani. I'm from University of Information Matter. My supervisor is Team 19 from MDDPA, Microcontroller in Digital ICs Group. My internship duration starts from 16 May until 27 August. Okay, this is the content of this slide. Okay, first, microcontroller. What is microcontroller? Microcontroller is a compact integrated circuit designed to be used in a specific application in an embedded system. It may include a processor, memory, and input-output peripheral under a single chip. Okay, next, the case code. Okay, this is the sample of the unit. So STM32 is a ARM-based 32-bit microcontroller. F for general purpose, 103 is the pin data, B for pin count, 100 pins, G for flash memory size, 1 MB, P for package, LTFP, 6 for industrial temperature range, set from -40 to 85 degrees Celsius. So this is the trace code for this sample 99021 Minus for assembly time, which is MOA, Y for year, so 2020, and then week 31, and then LLL for test lot sequential markup. Okay, this is the additional information, 98 for this division plan, 99 for MOA, and 18 for the deflated thing. Okay, this is the FA flow start from traceability and then external visual inspection and then X-ray, SAN, then for electrical analysis, curve tracer, PPD, and VPA. Next, the disruptive analysis, the decapsulation, and then defect identification and characterization. So, first one, the traceability. So this is the system that has been used. So the first one is traceability information system. We insert the trace code and then from here we can know the finish code, the row line, the sales type, and others information. And then for DMS viewer, for DSE, we can know the die technology, either TSMC, CMOS, and others. And then we also can know the type of wire, and then we can know the mount bonding level. For TFI, we can know the phase flow of the package. And then for the ECC class, just for additional information. And then this is for to download the data sheet or check the data sheet. Okay, all the information that we get from the system, we fill in into this template and then print out the pin layout and then the number data. Okay, first one, external visual inspection. We use for the equipment, we use Olympus low power scope aim to do external inspection of laser marking on the package, external limits, condition of the package and package defect like glue, flux, and solder residue. So this is the example of the defect. This is for scratch, burn mark, solder residue, and glue residue. The next is X-ray inspection. We use matrix 16-bit X-ray with CT scan. Aim to do an internal inspection of wire bonding, leads, die, and overall view of the package. So this is the example of the defect, like broken lead, loose wire, bad wire looping, And then the solder residue, this is for the British TFM. The next scanning acoustic microscope, which is SAM. We use Sony EHR 2001 aim to check the delineation and voice inspection. There's a two technology, which is reflection mode with CSAM, and then two transmission mode PSAM. So this is the example of the SAM analysis. You can see here Burma elimination and dye, and then air bubble. And the last one is the popcorn. The next is the electrical analysis precursor. We use Tektronix 370B aim to check the connection of the IC's inspection. So this is the setting on the equipment set to 1 volt and 200 microamp. Okay, this is the example of the defect, like a short circuit, resistive short, abnormal, or we can call it the case curve, and then the opposite. The next is the electrical programming bench. We need a generic board like this, power supply, multimeter, STM32, ST-Link. So aim for this PPB to check the XY mapping, vector coordinate, the voltage in high and voltage in low, read the protection of the device, read the manufacturing testing signature. Okay. Next, automatic testing equipment. So we use HP93T, called it Agilent, aim to testing the test flow. So this is the test pattern, like a continuity test for open short pattern, parametric test pattern for I/O leakage pattern, pull up or down, and then others. Memory test pattern, read user memory, read all the signature, option by. And then the last one, functional test pattern, the ADC pattern for the example. Okay, this is for disruptive analysis, detect solution. So this is for laser detect, backside. So we use Boblis BL5500 fiber laser aim to do bedside laser. So we can see here this is the example or example, this is the step of doing the laser detect up to laser detect. Okay, next the chemical detect from site. Equipment we use we need a manual detect fume hood. This already have in the chemical lab. Aim of this chemical detect to do transite detect and inspect transite of the time. So for the silver wire, we use 30 ml nitric acid mixed with 10 ml of iodine. And then for the gold wire, we use nitric acid only. So, and the last one, hydrochloric acid, we call it HF. So this is the example for gold wire. Okay, next, mechanical detect. So the equipment, which is Tommy PC 600 degree hot plate, and then lawn mouse pliers. Aim of this mechanical detect is to remove the dye from the package to inspect the dye. This mechanical detect is used to prevent chemical uses because chemical has potential to remove the editing like dendrites, polymethyl, and etc. So this is the result after do the mechanical detect. Okay, for the defect identification and characterization, this can be divided into three, which is IR infrared microscopy. We use LUMOS. 1000 to inspect the grain or method of dye. And then optical microscopy, we use LICA high power scope to do internal inspection of dye. And the last one, SEM, scanning electron microscopy, we use SL40 or scanning electron microscopy used to do internal inspection of dye with a focused beam of electron. So this is the example of the effect. Okay, next for electrical localization, also divided into two, which is OBERG, optical beam induced resistance change. We use CMOS 1000 aims to port localization techniques applicable in case of high leakage or short or resistive arc. And then the second TEM, thermal microscopy. We use CMOS 1000 to locate line short PAC defect, oxidized finish, and etc. For the AMI, emission microscopy, we use CMOS 1000 with the supply of the Tektron 370B. It used to detect and localize certain integrated circuit failures. So we can see here this is the example of the defect for each of these electrical localization analysis. Okay, for the last, okay, here for the final report, this can be divided into three, which is final report, interim report, and preliminary report. So this is the example of the report for the final complaint report, not ST related. This is for EOS cases, which is electrical overstress. We have been, the result is we found the burn mark diameter on IR microscopy. So next, the final complaint report for not confirmed, which is this is the analysis is put on EDI, X-ray, processor, SAM, bench, and ATE. So it can post as not confirmed. So the third one, preliminary report. This is the analysis still ongoing. So for the last one, not conclusive. Um, these cases for the it has been damaged during ST analysis or the cases has not testable. Okay, contribution during internship. For the first one, I've been do traceability and then 38 ETC and then MDG tester request or I do the data management only. I collect all the information from the engineer and then do this table like the duration, the day, how many ETC have been done during that day. So the last one to support engineer on FA analysis during lockdown. Okay, for the conclusion, expose the real working environment as an engineer, develop and improve student creative and critical thinking as well as problem solving, expose students with not only engineering related works but also management of work, gain knowledge in FA analysis which to determine the root cause of the failures by doing non-destructive and destructive analysis. So the last one, able to do FA analysis report, final report, preliminary report, and interim report that conclude all the finding analysis was that has been performed. Okay, that's all. Thank you.